Hi all, I'm Francesco Noe, Senior Project Manager, and today I will share some comparison between PMI Infinity and ChatGPT. I think ChatGPT doesn't need any presentation. PMI Infinity, what is it? It's presented by PMI, the same Project Management Institute, is an AI project management assistant for project managers. In the previous video blog, we reviewed some potential and some prompt performing queries in PMI Infinity, and today we will chat with PMI Infinity with more complex prompts and also with ChatGPT, and we will compare results. As a disclaimer, all the content and output displayed in this video in PMI Infinity is property of PMI, Project Management Institute. I'm doing this video as an educational way to have more project manager using PMI Infinity as a good platform. Knowing more about AI in general. As you know, PMI is doing great steps into the AI world. It just published three free courses for PMI members about generative AI, prompt engineering. So take a look at PMI website, PMI Infinity, give it a try. You will have fun for sure. Let me share my screen. Right now, you should see the PMI Infinity user interface. We described the user interface in the previous video blog. And you know, there is the ChatGPT common user interface. You see ChatGPT is using now the 4 turbo version. PMI Infinity, I think it's using the ChatGPT 3.5 turbo, powered with all the PMI knowledge base article and blogs from PMI.org. So one thing I want to show you before going deep into the prompts, to the PM prompts, just if you don't know how to use the PMI Infinity, you can go to tutorials. There is a YouTube video you can look at, and you can go to prompt library. Lots of inspiration here. You can see some prompts. See, for example, for the daily stand-up, you see there is an already ready prompt you can use. PMI Infinity description, it's in version 1.0, enhance, refine, and continuously evolving for the future. So let me start a new chat here. In the last video blog, we clicked on the PMI certification prompt, a very good prompt as an example here. But yeah, let me start already with a very good project management prompts. First one, a little bit long. As a project manager, it's the role the AI is impersonating. I am responsible for launching a new e-commerce website. Project example will be the name. You can put anything here. The project is planned to span over 6 months and involves multiple departments like design, development, and marketing. This is the context. You can enrich it. Please generate a comprehensive project plan that includes objective, business case, scope, timeline, stakeholders, and success metrics. Instruction. This is the part of you saying to the AI what to do. And the format, in a table format, output format. You can change it as you need to. So let's see how it performs. As PMI Infinity performs here. Okay. It's taking some time to generate all the text and put it in the correct format. We say table format. So let's wait one sec. In the meantime, we can go to chatgpt.com and we can put the same prompt to see how it goes. See if, okay, while ChatGPT is still generating it, let's see how the answer of PMI Infinity. We asked for a comprehensive project plan, timeline, let's see, component objective, business case. For sure, if we give more details, more project details to the AI, it will generate a better answer for sure. Scope is very generic. Timeline, stakeholder, success metrics. It's taken from educationhubspot.com, PMI's knowledge base. Let's see how it performs with the same generic tone, ChatGPT. Okay. Comprehensive project plan for launching new commerce websites. I like this way, very tidy. Objectives, business case. Let's divide it in table. Easier to update timeline. A little bit more detailed as much as possible, given the very generic prompt. Stakeholders, nice. Success metrics. Okay, we can see the two kind of prompt. Let me start a new shot to your new prompt here. I will ask now PMI Infinity to generate project timeline with milestones, start dates, and dates, objective, tasks, responsible parties for launching X project. The name is X in this case. You can change it as you want. Please provide in such as milestone, their start and end dates, objectives, task, and the responsible party for each milestone in a table format. While it thinks about it, I will go here. I will do the same just in case. And I will start a new chat. Let me put the same prompt here, project timeline. Let me see. The two are still working. For sure, the GPT-4, the GPT-4 version is more powerful than the previous version. Anyway, I hope that PMI Infinity will train the GPT-4 with PMI knowledge base soon. It will enhance, for example, file summary, or you can upload even files To resume, to sum up. Okay, you see, we asked this detailed milestone, a detailed timeline for Project X. Let's see PMI Infinity output. Okay, starting in February. Project initiation, 15 days, planning phase, 1629, requirements gating, design phase, development phase, testing phase, deployment preparation, deployment, post-deployment, project closure. Okay. Summary, some sources from PMI. Let's see what ChatGPT did. Okay. Some milestone, some day 2, starting in August. ChatGPT starting in August, not in February. Okay, a little bit more detailed. Okay, with some formats. Okay, quite the same. Okay, now let's start a new chat. And the last prompt I have here. Help me draft an agenda for the project status meeting. Okay. We start a new chat here too. We put the same agenda drafts in ChatGPT. Still working here. Same here. Let's see. Okay, for sure it's very generic. Let's see an agenda, project status meeting agenda. You can just copy and paste, for example, in Word, your preferred text editor, date, time, location, facilitator, even in Confluence, an Atlassian product. Welcome and introduction. Review previous action items, look back, look forward review. Review open issues, task leader updates, action item parking lot summary, debriefing. Next step, meeting close. Okay. Let's see ChatGPT out. Well, that went. Date, time, location, attendees. Summary introduction, review. Project overview, department updates, development team, marketing team, key issue risk management, action items, going milestones, summary, next step. Let's see. If you were more detailed, the output will be more detailed too. And that's how AI works. You have to give very good data in order and description of what you want in order to obtain a very good answer, no? But in this case, you have a very generic template you can reuse and tailor based on your needs. Okay, that was it for this video blog. I hope you enjoyed it and see you. Bye bye.